हॅलो, आवाज येते? हॅलो
यस सर.
हॅलो,
सर येतोय आवाज.
येते ना?
हो सर.
My screen is visible?
यस सर, विजिबल.
Okay. Okay, good afternoon. Now already in screen one problem is given. Already such types of problem already we have taken. Only the difference is that already we have taken the problems on composite bar. Same problem. This is under the problem for composite bar. But in previous problem we are taking equal length for copper rod, for steel rod, and again for copper rod. Only the difference is that in this problem the length of that rod will be vary. Means what? See the length of copper rod and see the length of steel rod. Length of copper rod, I think 140 mm, and length of steel bar, I think 210 mm. So how to solve such types of problem? Same procedure we have to follow as like a previous problem. Everyone should write down the problem. Write down the problem. Two copper rods and one steel rod. One copper rod and one steel rod together support a load of 300 kilonewton. 300 kilonewton shown in figure. Find the traces in the rods. Find the traces. Find the traces in the rods. Now draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. Two copper rod is given. One steel rod is given. They are together support of a load of 300 kilonewton. This is the total load is given. P is equal to 300 kilonewton. They are asking question to calculate the traces in the rod. Means what? We have to calculate sigma Cu. Means what? Traces in copper rod, and sigma steel. That is the traces in steel rod. Draw the diagram. Length is given. Only the difference that in previous problem and in this problem, already in composite bar we have seen the problem on tube in rod and problem on wire. But already in previous problem they are giving the common length for all rod having same length. So in this problem length of rod will be different. Over diagram. Over diagram. Please give me the reply in chat box. If it is over, please put yes. Otherwise, I will wait 1 to 2 minutes. Please reply me. Ajit Gaikwad, do fast. Draw the diagram. Write down the question. Draw the diagram. And if possible, Those who have completed the diagram, please read the problem carefully and write down the given data. What is given data? 2 copper rod and 1 steel rod is given. Total load of 300 kilonewton means what? P is given 300 kilonewton. We have to convert 300 kilonewton into 10 raised to 3. That is the Newton. Next, area is given. See, the area of copper tube, area of steel tube, and again area of copper tube. The area for all rod should be common, and that is value is given 1000 mm per square. AS area for steel rod and area for copper rod 1000 mm square. Next, elasticity is given. Elasticity for steel rod and elasticity for copper rod is given. We have to convert 200 gigapascal into Newton per mm square, means what? 200 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square, and again 100 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square. Now, difference is that already length of steel rod and length of copper rod in previous number of problems we have taken, near about 3 to 5 problems taken on complete bar. In this problem, length of steel rod and length of copper bar should be same in previous problem, but in given figure, see the length of steel rod and length of copper rod. See, this is the 140, this is the length of 2 copper rods, correct? See the figure, LCU, this is the length of our copper rod, and see the length of steel rod and length of copper rod is given 140, and length of steel rod, this is the length for steel rod. What is this length? 140 plus 70 will get 210 mm. This is the length for solid rod and this is the length for copper rod. And they are asking the question, calculate the traces in the rod. 2 rods we are using, one is the copper rod and second is the steel rod. So traces in steel rod sigma S and traces in copper rod sigma C is equal to question mark. Up to this over, up to given data, if any problem, or it is over, up to given data. Okay. Over, yes, yes or no? Okay. Now, for solving the problems or calculating the traces, we are applying the conditions. Condition number 1 and condition number 2. What is the condition number 1? Same condition. What is condition number 1? Change in length of steel rod is equal to change in length of copper rod. जरी तुम्हाला वाटत असेल या दोन्ही रॉडची लेंथ सेम नाही, मग डिफॉर्मेशन कसं सेम होते, आज जर एखाद्याला वाटलं असेल तर बघा, ह्या लेंथचा आणि डिफॉर्मेशनचा काय संबंध नाही, कारण जे अप्लाय केलेलं लोड जे असणार आहे ह्या तिन्ही रॉडवर आहे आणि हा लोड कॉमन आहे सगळं, त्यामुळं सुरुवातीची लेंथ काय पण असू द्या, पण डिफॉर्मेशन सगळ्या रॉडचं काय असणार आहे तर सेम होणार आहे. मीन्स व्हॉट? चेंज इन लेंथ ऑफ स्टील रॉड, चेंज इन लेंथ ऑफ स्टील रॉड, राइट ऑन दिस सेंटेंस, कंडिशन नंबर 1, change in length of steel rod, it is equal to change in length of copper rod. In mathematically we can write delta LS is equal to delta LC. Any problem for condition number 1? Same condition. Deformation of steel rod, it is equal to the deformation of copper rod. Now put the basic formula, delta L is equal to PL upon AE. This is the basic formula. Delta L is equal to PL upon AE. But we are calculating the deformation for steel rod. So instead of delta L, we can put delta LS, PS, LS, AS, and ES. We can take all parameters for steel rod. Means what? Delta LS is equal to PS LS divided by AS ES. Only similarly, according to delta LC, change in deformation for copper rod, PC LC divided by AC EC. In this problem, in previous problem, we are cancelling the length of steel rod and copper rod, correct? Because of length of steel rod and copper rod are same. So in this problem, length of copper rod and steel rod will be vary. See the length of steel rod and length of copper rod, it is different. So in this problem, we have to take the, or we can put the value of LS and LC. In previous problem, we are cancelling the term and directly we are putting the AS and ES value. But in this problem, they are giving the separate value for LS and LC. So put the value, only PS is the unknown. Take the reference of previous problem. इथून जर हा पॅरामीटर काढण्याचं तर राहू द्या, इथपर्यंत काय अडचण नाही. तुम्ही पीएच्या भाषेत काढा, हा बुक मधला प्रॉब्लेम आहे. पुट द व्हॅल्यू, पीएस इट इज अननोन, एलएस व्हॉट इज द एलएस, लेंथ फॉर स्टील रॉड 210, नेक्स्ट एरिया ऑफ स्टील रॉड 1000, ES elasticity for steel rod. All parameters given. Just calculate the relation between PS is equal to how much into PC. Give me the answer. Don't refer this problem. Up to this we have to write. Now put the value LS, LC, AS, AC, ES, EC and find the relation between PS is equal to how much PC and tell me the answer. Otherwise in chat box, if it is over, write down the relation PS is equal to how much PC. Please make proper calculation and solve the question. Condition number 1, PS is equal to how much into PC. Fast. What is the answer? Tell me the answer. PS is equal to how much? Constant. Tell me the constant. Constant.
1.3.
1.3. It is correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you solve please the answer. Tell me the answer. PS is equal to 1.33. PS, it is correct answer or wrong answer? Please tell me. I think it is correct answer. Okay, all of you got this answer? Same answer or different answer? Now, if it is over, we will move to the condition number 2. What is condition number 2? Condition number 2, same condition, total load, correct? Total load means what? P. Total load, it is taken by 3 wires or 3 rods. That is wire number 1, wire number 2 and wire number 3, correct? Means what? Total load P is equal to, we can write a load taken by copper rod plus load taken by steel rod plus load taken by again copper rod, correct? Means what? P is equal to PCU, this is rod number 1, next plus PST rod number 2 and this is rod number 3, this is PCU. Load taken by copper rod and load taken by copper rod, make the addition, will get PS plus 2 into PC, correct? Now write down total load is equal to load carried by steel rod and load carried by 2 copper rods. So we can write P is equal to PS plus 2 into PC. Yeah. Now, don't refer this formula. Again, we can take the previous problem. Here, we can put the value of P. What is the P? That is 300 into 10 to 3. What is the PS? Equation number 1. Instead of PS, we can put 1.33 into PC. Into, sorry, 1.33 plus into PC plus 2PC. And now find out the value of PC and find out the value of PS and tell me the answer. Somebody has calculated PS and PC. Please calculate the sigma S and sigma C after the knowing the value of load taken by copper rod and load taken by steel rod. After that, we have to calculate the value of sigma C and sigma S. And that answer given in the solution, that is 90 and 120. This solution, please check it. Kunal Sethi, please check the sigma S and sigma C. It is correct or wrong? First of all, give me the answer. What is the PC and PS? What is the answer? Tell me the answer. I got only one answer from your side. Balaji PC has given, I think, near about correct answer. What about other students? Please check the answer. Sigma C, it is 90 Newton per meter square, and sigma steel, it is 120 Newton per meter square. It is correct answer or it is wrong answer? What is the value of PC? 19 to something. Traces in copper 19.09 and steel 119 point something. Means what, approximately 90 Newton per mm square and 120 Newton per mm square. They are given compressive. The meaning of compressive, that load is coming in downside and fixed support at also downside. So copper rod and steel rod will get compressed, so that they are given the compressive. It is not necessary to write it tensile or compressive, but sometimes they are asking the nature of traces. Nature of traces means what, we can say that tensile or compressive. In previous problem, the rod is supported at the top level, and we are using such types of problems, correct? So load in downside. In cases where the final solution, it is in tensile nature, correct? In this problem, load is in upside and support will be at downside. So copper rod and steel rod will be compressed, so that they are given the nature of traces are compressive. So what is the answer? It is over. It is correct answer or wrong? Please reply me. It is over. Yes. Over. Okay. Who is remaining? Those who are remaining, put the message N. If also not understood, then also we can put the message no, or also we can give the reply, I am not understood, please repeat. Such types of also message also I want from your side. If it is no any problem, we can put yes. If you have any problem, put the message no. Any problem? Okay. Ajit Gagwad, what is your problem?
No, sir, I don't any problem.
Why are you putting the N?
That is, sir, that is no Ajit Gaikwad. Ajit Nandwing Lal.
Two names are there, Ajit Gaikwad. In our class, how many Ajit Gaikwads are there?
Sir, Ajit Gaikwad only one.
Then why name I'm seeing the two names in Ajit Gaikwad here. Our students are changing their names. Correct?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. You don't have any problem, no?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. If it is over, I will give the second problem for your. Please solve it immediately. Write down the problems. Figure shows same problem. Figure shows a load supported by two copper rods and one steel rod. Full stop. If the traces in copper and steel rod are not exceeding 60 Newton per mm square, and 120 Newton per mm square respectively, find out the magnitude of load P that can be safely supported. Take ES is equal to 2 into EC.
सर प्रीवियस स्लाइड शो करो.
एक मिनट हाँ. Over problem. Hello. Over problem. Hello. Yes or no? Hello. Over. Okay. Write down given data. Write down. They are given area 13 to 30. That is mm square. 40 into 40 mm square. Write down area for steel rod, area for copper rod, length of steel rod, that is 200, that is 120 into 80, that is 200 mm. Length of copper rod 120 mm, and they are given the relation ES is equal to 2 into EC. Sigma S allowable 60 Newton per mm square, and sigma S is equal to 120 Newton per mm square. Now condition number one. Condition number one, as per previous problem, change in length of steel rod, it is equal to change in length of copper rod. Delta LS is equal to delta LC. Put all the values. In other way, also in book they are giving, that is the P upon A, correct? That P upon A, that is PS upon A is, and that PC upon AC. Instead of they are putting the value sigma A, that is P upon A. Press is equal to force upon area. We are taking PS, PC, or sometimes we can also take no problem P upon A is equal to sigma. So PS upon AS, that is the load taken by steel rod divided by area of steel rod. Instead of PS upon AS, we can put also sigma S. LS, it is same, divided by EC. Again, instead of PC upon AC, we can put sigma C. Correct? Now, lecture चालू आहे. Also we can put PS upon H is equal to sigma C. Why we are putting? Because of in this problem they are giving the value of sigma C and PS. So according to given data, some we have changed some data. Put the value PS upon ES is equal to sigma S. Now put the value LS. LS, what is the LS? That is 200. What is the LC? That is 120. Now here they are given relation ES is equal to 2 into EC. That is, instead of ES we can put 2 into EC. Means what? EC get cancelled, and we'll get the relation between sigma S is equal to 1.2 into sigma C. Previously we have got the relation PS is equal to something into PC, but we have converted PS. Instead of we are taking the sigma S, and instead of PC we are putting the value of sigma C. Means what? We can use the PS PC also, no problem. We can put sigma S, sigma C. There is also no problem. Why this in this problem we are taking sigma C and sigma S? Because of they are giving the value of sigma S and sigma C. Correct? Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Up to this equation number is over. Okay. Write down up to equation number 1. Now, in equation 1, the problem they are given traces, allowable traces they are giving. Whenever in problem they are giving allowable traces. Whenever they are giving allowable traces, means what? We does not take the given traces at its. We have to check the conditions. The given trace, it is safe zone or it is a not safe. So what we'll do? What is the equation number 1? Equation number 1, sigma S, correct? Sigma S, it is equal to 1.2 into sigma C, correct? Now, what is equation number 1? If they are giving, if we put the sigma S in given problem, they are giving the value of 120 and second 60, correct? आता ही रिलेशन दिले बघा आपलं sigma S is equal to 1.2 into sigma C. In this relation we can put sigma C is equal to 120. Sigma S is equal to 120 and find the value of sigma C. किती येते sigma C? तर 100 येते बघा, बरोबर आहे का? If you put sigma S is equal to 120 Newton per mm square. असं का करतोय आपण बघा, जर प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये देताना जर अलाउएबल ट्रेसेस दिला असेल तर ट्रेसेस आहे जे प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये ते ट्रेसेस आहे गेज नाहीत. आपल्याला ट्रेस सेफ आहे किंवा अनसेफ चेक करायचं. कसं चेक करायचं बघा, पण कधी चेक करणार जर प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये अलाउएबल ट्रेस असं मिनिंग असेल तर. आता बघा सिग्मा एच ची व्हॅल्यू 120, जर ह्या प्रॉब्लेम रिलेशन मध्ये पुट केलं तर आपला सिग्मा सी किती येते 100, बरोबर आहे का? आणि प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये किती दिला देताना त्यांनी 60 दिलाय, बरोबर आहे का? म्हणजे दिलेल्या व्हॅल्यू पेक्षा आपला ट्रेस हा कमी पाहिजे. काय करू थोडं लक्ष द्या, थोडासा वेगळा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रॉब्लेम आहे, थोडीशी स्पेशल केस आहे. सच टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम दे आर नॉट आस्किंग एक्झामिनेशन, बट फॉर युअर नॉलेज पर्पज जस्ट वी हॅव टेकन दिस प्रॉब्लेम. जस्ट वी हॅव टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेट. जर कळला तर कळला, लक्ष द्या, नसेल तर नाही कळला तरी काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. तर बघा काय केले, रिलेशन काय, सिग्मा एस इज इक्वल टू 1.2 इंटू सिग्मा सी रिलेशन दिले. कुठली तरी एक व्हॅल्यू पुट अप करा. सिग्मा सी ची पुट केली, 120 प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दिलेला आहे, व्हॅल्यू किती आली आपली 100 आली. पण देताना प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये सिग्मा सी किती दिलाय आपला 60 दिलाय. कायम काय पाहिजे, दिलेल्या व्हॅल्यू पेक्षा ही व्हॅल्यू कमी आहे पाहिजे. म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये 60 दिले ना, आले किती व्हॅल्यू आपली 100. ही काय झालं आपला सेफ नाही, हेन्स नॉट सेफ. नंतर दुसरी कंडिशन काय पुट केली बघा, इफ यू पुट सिग्मा सी इज इक्वल टू 60. पहिला आपण एस पुट केला दिलेला, आता सिग्मा सी पुट करतो ह्या रिलेशन मध्ये. इन दिस रिलेशन पुट सिग्मा सी इज इक्वल टू 60. आता सिग्मा एस किती आला आपला 72 आला. दिलेला प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये किती आहे 120, म्हणजे त्यापेक्षा कमी. म्हणजे हा सेफ, ही ट्रेसेस काय तर सेफ मध्ये. मग व्हॅल्यू कुठली घेणार आपण, हा सिग्मा सी टाकला होता आपण, आणि ह्या दोन्ही मधला कुठला घेणार आपण, जी सेफ मध्ये आलेला आहे, ती सेफ मधला कुठला आला, 72 आलाय. तर सिग्मा सी इज इक्वल टू 60 आणि सिग्मा एस इक्वल टू 72. म्हणजे ऍक्च्युली आपला सिग्मा सी प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये 120 दिलता, पण 120 हा आपला सेफ नाही, नॉट सेफ आहे. सेफ मध्ये कुठला आला आपला, तर सिग्मा सी ची व्हॅल्यू 60 घेतली, तर सिग्मा सी ची किती येते, 70 होते. Here afterwards we can take sigma c is equal to 60 and sigma c is equal to 70. Now condition number 2. What is condition number 2? Total load, it is equal to load carried by steel rod and load carried by 2 copper rod. पुन्हा 2 copper rod आहेत आणि 1 steel rod आहे. So P is equal to PS plus P into PC. आता यामध्ये काय केलं आपण, सिग्माला फॉर्म्युला, सिग्मा इज इक्वल टू P अपॉन A, that is force upon area. What is the P? That is P is equal to trace into area. आता इथे C पुट करतो, means what, PS is equal to sigma S into AS. Correct. Now we have taken sigma S, that traces in steel rod is equal to 72. Put the value of 72. Area is given in the problem. Again sigma C we have taken, put the value of PSC and find the total load. The final solution 223.20 kilonewton. ही थोडा प्रॉब्लेम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आहे. प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये अलाउएबल ट्रेस दिले नाही. जर तुम्ही दिलेले ट्रेस हाय घेतलं तर प्रॉब्लेम सोपतोय. त्यासाठी आपल्याला दिलेले ट्रेस सेफ आहे का नाही पहिल्यांदा चेक करायचं. कशी चेक करायची, तर कंडिशन नंबर 1 चेक करायची आणि दिलेले ट्रेसेस पुट करायची. प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दिल्यापेक्षा अलाउएबल कसं आलं पाहिजे, लेस आलं पाहिजे. कंडिशन नंबर 1 काय केली तेव्हा 120 पुट केलं आपण, तर आला किती आपला 100 आला. प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दिला किती 60, हे दिल्यापेक्षा जास्त आला, अनसेफ म्हणायचं. पुन्हा आपण जर सिग्माची 60 पुट केलं तर सिग्माची किती आला, 72 आला. आणि प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये किती होता, सिग्माची 120, म्हणजे त्यापेक्षा कमी. हा 60 आणि हा 72 आहे. आणि फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ P. Now it is over. This problem is over. Check the final solution. Correct. Diksha Admile, previous we have got wrong answer, but now it is correct. 2 to 3.2 into 10 to 3. Now everyone we have to concentrate on this condition. In previous problem, sigma C is given 120, but after the calculation for safe zone, we have got the different answer. Sigma C S is equal to 72 and sigma C is equal to 60 Newton per mm square. Okay, over. Now, this is also a problem under the composite bar. In this problem, write down the problem. I will tell the difference. What is the difference? A vertical rod, one of steel and other of bronze, means what, only 2 wires are there giving, they are using, are each rigidly fastened at the upper end and at the horizontal distance 72 mm apart. Horizontal distance apart means what, distance between the 2 wires, that is apart, 750 mm. Each rod is 2400 mm long, means what, length of steel rod and length of bronze rod is given 2400 mm and diameter is given 12 mm diameter. A horizontal cross piece connect the lower end of the bars. Where should the load of 10 kilonewton be placed on the cross piece? This is the cross piece. This is the cross piece. This is the cross piece, so that it remains horizontal after the loading. Estimate the trace in each rod. ES is given. First of all, you have to write down the problem and draw the diagram. Afterward, I will give the explanation. What is the difference between previous problem and in this problem? Write down the problem. Read the carefully problem. If possible, write down the given data. Also, we can draw the diagram also. Or problem is written. Please give me the reply. No, write down fast. So, चेक कर रखते चेक कर रखते टाइप संपदा ले टाइप संपदा ले कंपोजिट Over? Yes or no? Please fast. नहीं झाला नाही प्रॉब्लेम. येस ऑर नो? इट इज ओव्हर. काय झोपला काय? हा, एक तर जागा आहे, नसते तर जागा आहे, बाकी पुढे कोण काय सांगता येणार. बाकीचे ओके. अजित जागा आहे, अजून कोण जागा आहे बघून? पाटील आहे, पुढं मिसाळ आहे, गुड. अजून गायकवाड आहे, बालाजी पिसे आहे, ओके ओके ओके, आहेत बऱ्यापैकी आहेत जागा. ठीक आहे, ओके. नाव सी हिअर, read the problem carefully. Two vertical rods is given, one is steel and other is bronze, correct? Are each rigidly fastened at the upper end at a horizontal distance. Means what? They are giving the distance between the two rods. Already in previous problem we are not concentrating on the distance between two wires, correct? And always we are taking load at the central point. Means what? We have taken the same problems in previously. Such types of problem we have taken, correct? But we are applying the load at centrally. Means what? Near about center between the two wires, correct? But in this problem there will be some difference between the previous problem. In this problem they are giving the distance between two wires, correct? This is the steel wire and this is the bronze wire, correct? They are giving the distance between, means what? The horizontal distance of 70-50 mm apart means what? Distance between two wires, correct? Each rod is 2400 mm long, means what? Length is given, correct? This is the length of steel rod and this is length of bronze bar. But it is does not necessary to take the 2400 because of length of steel rod and length of bronze bar, it is equal. So again there will be cancelled for LS and LB. And 12 mm diameter. Pi diameter is given for calculation of area, correct? Means what? Pi by 4 into d square. You can calculate the area of steel bar and calculate the area of bronze wire. Next, a horizontal cross piece connect at the lower end. This is a plate. They are giving the name cross piece connect at the lower end. Where now it is very important. Where should a load of 10 kilonewton be placed on a cross piece? ह्या प्लेटवर आपल्याला सुरुवातीपासून जे प्रॉब्लेम घेत होतो तिथे बरोबर आपण सेंटरला म्हणजे ए पॉईंट पासून आणि बी पॉईंट पासून बरोबर सेंट्रल लोड अप्लाय करत होतो. पण या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये काय म्हणतंय? वेअर शुड अ लोड ऑफ 10 किलोन्यूटन बी प्लेस्ड ऑन द क्रॉस पीस. तर आपला डिस्टन्स काढायचा आहे, ए पासून किती डिस्टन्सवर आणि बी पासून किती डिस्टन्सवर आहे हा लोड आपला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. सॉरी, डिस्टन्स कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. लोड दिलेला आहे पण ए पॉईंट पासून किती आहे बी पॉईंट पासून आपलं एक्स डिस्टन्स काढायचं आहे, करेक्ट? Where should a load of 10 kilonewton be placed on cross piece so that it remains horizontal after loading? म्हणजे जरी लोड अप्लाय केला तरी क्रॉस पीस कसा पाहिजे? आपला हॉरिझॉन्टल पाहिजे. त्यासाठी आपला बॅलन्सिंग महत्वाचं आहे. बॅलन्स कशासाठी करतो तर आपण ही जरी या प्लेटचा लोड जरी व्हेरी असला, ए एन ला वेगळा बी एन ला वेगळा आहे, पण आपला प्लेट आपली हॉरिझॉन्टल झाली पाहिजे. त्यासाठी आपला डिस्टन्स काढायचा, डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम ए साइड ऑफ लोड and distance from B side from load. They are giving, and also they are asking the question, calculate the traces in each rod, and they are given ES and EB, correct? Now write down given data. LS is equal to LB is equal to 2400. DS, diameter of steel wire, diameter of bronze wire given 12 mm. With the help of diameter we can calculate area of AS and AB, pi by 4 into d square. We can calculate in area. What is the area? Answer किती आलं सांगा? What is the answer? What is the A?
1130.97.
11430 point. Correct, no? 93. It is correct. 1130.13.
1130.97.
Correct. 1130.97. Correct. Okay. Mm square. And this is the area. After that, P, that is the total load is given. P is equal to 10 kilonewton. We have to convert 10 kilonewton into newton. That is 10 raised to 3. ES is given. Younger modulus, or we can say that it's a modulus of elasticity. It's a property of material for steel rod, for steel wire, and for bronze wire. We can say it is rod or we can say it is bar. No problem. sometimes I'm giving a bar or sometimes I'm using the wire. It is no problem. We can mostly you have to understand that it is a composite material. It is a composite material means what? It is a combination of one or two materials. So we can it is a steel wire and other is a bronze wire, or we can say it is a steel bar or bronze wire. No problem. We have to convert that 200 gigapascal into Newton per mm square 10 raised to 3. Now unknowns are very important. What they are asking, calculate the x. X means what? It is the distance from point A to C, or sometimes we can say it is a distance from B to C. A कडून C पर्यंत काढा किंवा B कडून C काढा, काय अडचण नाही. एकदा एक्स भेटला आपल्याला, त्या 750 मधून हा एक्स वजा केला की आपल्याला ही समजा जर वाय म्हणतो तर ही वाय डिस्टन्स मिळू शकते. त्यामुळे कुठलं पण काढा, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. वाय काढा किंवा एक्स काढा, नो प्रॉब्लेम. They are asking where should the load 10 kilonewton be placed on horizontal. आपला डिस्टन्स काढायचा आहे. वेअरचा अर्थ काय घ्यायचा, डिस्टन्स काढायचा आहे. नाउ let PS and PC be the load carried by the steel rod and bronze rod respectively. Now condition number 1. Since horizontal crossbar remains horizontal after loading, extension of the rod, steel rod and bronze is equal. Means what? Length of or deformation of steel rod and deformation of bronze rod or bar should be equal. This is condition number 1. Same problems as like a previous problem. Deformation of steel rod and deformation of steel bar, it is equal to deformation of bronze bar. Now put the value PL upon AE, PS, LS, AS, ES, PB, LB, AB, PB. Now put all the values and find the relation between PS and PB. Now calculate the relation. Calculate the relation. Calculate the relation between PS and PB and tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. What is the answer?
One point 81.
1 point.
Yes, sir. 1.81. PS is equal to 1.81. PS is equal to
Everyone should calculate the answer. .81. Now I will check it. Now it is correct. See the calculation, PS is equal to 1.818 into PB. It is correct? Yes or no? I think it is correct. Equation number 1. Okay. Now condition number 2. Up to here, there will be no problem because of same problem as like a previous. Condition number 2. Total load is equal to load carried by steel rod and load carried by bronze rod, because of we are using the 2 wires only. Correct? In previous problem we have taken also we are using three wires also. I have taken the problem, but in this problem we are using the two wires. So total load P is equal to PS plus PB. Total P is given. Relation, put the PS is equal to equation number 1 and find the PB and PS and check the solution. Check the solution PS PB. After that, you have to calculate sigma S and sigma B. Traces in steel rod and traces in bronze wire. Up to this, you have to solve it. Check the solution 57.04 and 31.37. It is correct or wrong? Check it. If you have any problem, please ask me. It is correct answer? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please wait up to sigma B here. Up to here, please wait. After that, some difference is there. I will give the explanation. Just calculate the sigma B and please stop here up to the sigma B. I will give the how to calculate the sigma, sorry, how to calculate the distance, how to calculate the X. Those who have calculated sigma D, please draw this diagram. Or up to PB. Draw the diagram, small diagram on our screen. They are showing this is the PS, PB, AB, point C. Distance between point A and C is given X. Distance between load PS and PB is given 750. That load is given 10,000 Newton. Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or okay. Now what is the diagram? First of all, you have to understand the diagram. Our ultimate aim to find out the distance between point A and B. आता X म्हणजे काय बघा, प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये काय म्हणतंय, जी हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेट आहे ती हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेट हॉरिझॉन्टलच राहिली पाहिजे. त्यासाठी अप्लाय केलेला जी लोड आहे ती कुठं अप्लाय केला पाहिजे, कुठं अप्लाय केला म्हणजे कुठं काय काढायचं आपल्याला, तर डिस्टन्स काढायचं. एक तर बी कण काढा किंवा ए कण काढा. बरोबर आहे का? ए कण काढलं तर काय फरक पडत नाही, बी कण काढलं तर काय फरक पडत नाही. बरोबर आहे का? आपण इथं काय घेतलं, प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये एक्स घेतले आणि हे तर डायग्राम काय दिले बघा. आपण फक्त ही डायग्राम काढतोय बघा, हा एवढा पोर्शन फक्त काढलेला आहे. बरोबर आहे का? आता बघा ह्या दोन वायर आहेत लोड खालच्या साईडला, म्हणजे फोर्सची डायरेक्शन कशी असणार, अपोजिट, आणि टेन्शन असणार आहे वरच्या साईडला. बरोबर आहे का? पुणे डायग्राम मध्ये काय केलं तर टेन्शन अप साईडला दाखवलं. बरोबर आहे का? हा 10 किलो न्यूटन लोड आपण डाऊनवर्ड साईड दाखवलेला आहे, म्हणजे असणार आहे डाऊन साईडला, त्याचं वेट असणार आहे, वेट ऑलवेज vertically in downward direction. So they are showing the arrow downward direction, and tension we are showing in upward direction. Correct? Tension means what? Load taken by steel wire and load taken by bronze wire. Correct? And distance between that both wire they are given 750 mm. Now we are calculating the distance between point A and C. How to calculate? Now write down. Let X be the distance of load P from steel rod. Consider equilibrium of the horizontal cross piece and take the moment at point P. We have to take the moment at point A or at point B, no problem. In applied mechanics, we are taking the moment. Correct? Moment means what? Force into perpendicular distance. Always movement, it is clockwise direction or it may be anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction always take as a positive sign, and anti-clockwise we can consider it as a negative sign. So we are taking the movement at point A. What is the movement? Or summation ME. Movement at point A, body's equilibrium condition means what? Movement at point A is equal to 0. How to take the movement? Now PC force will come. How do it is possible to take the PC force येईल का? PC फोर्स का आपण कन्सिडर करत नाही, मुवमेंट ऍट पॉइंट ए ला घ्यायला लागलो आपण. मुवमेंटची डेफिनेशन काय? फोर्स इंटू परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स. कुठल्या पॉइंटला घेतले? परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स कुठपर्यंत असणार आहे? फोर्स आणि ज्या पॉइंटला मुवमेंट घेतलेली आहे ती डिस्टन्स असणार आहे. आता बघा, आपला ह्या पॉइंटला मुवमेंट घेतोय आणि फोर्स सुद्धा कुठं आहे? ह्याच पॉइंटला. म्हणजे परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स काय झालं आपलं? 0. म्हणजे पीएस इंटू 0 येईल आपलं. पीएस इंटू 0 मीन्स वॉट? 0 मीन्स वॉट? The given force is passing through that point A, so does not require to take the value of P. जरी घेतलं तर काय येणार आहे? व्हॅल्यू आपली 0 येणार आहे. नाव हाऊ टू टेक द मुवमेंट. बघा, आता हा पीएस घेतला आहे. जर पुढे गेलो आपण तर दुसरा फोर्स कुठला आहे? पी. कुणीकडे आणणार आहे आपल्याला? फोर्स आपला एकडे आणणार आहे, कारण मुवमेंट आपल्या एट पॉईंट ए घेतले. म्हणून काय झालं? ही पी इंटू डिस्टन्स किती आहे? परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स पी इंटू एक्स. क्लॉकवाइज आहे का अँटी क्लॉकवाइज आहे? क्लॉकवाइज. टेक पॉझिटिव्ह पी इंटू एक्स. नेक्स्ट आता मायनस पी बी घेतलं. मायनस पी बी ह्याच्या कुठला फोर्स आहे? हा फोर्स आहे. कुणीकडे आणायचा आहे आपल्याला? पॉईंट ए कडे आणायचा आहे. सी द डायरेक्शन, इट इज अँटी क्लॉकवाइज. अँटी क्लॉकवाइज मीन्स वॉट? मायनस पी बी इंटू परपेंडिक्युलर डिस्टन्स किती आहे? पॉईंट ए पासून आणि बी पर्यंत 750 mm. मीन्स वॉट? पी एक्स मायनस पी बी इंटू 750 इज इक्वल टू 0. नाव पुट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ पी. What is the P? 10,000 Newton into X minus PB. Already we have calculated value PB. See the value of PB. Put the value of PB and find out the value of X. And check the answer. 266.12 mm from point A and given force. याचा कसं कॅल्क्युलेट केलंय बघा, मुवमेंट कसे घेतले. हा मुवमेंट कॅल्क्युलेट करताना काय प्रॉब्लेम असतो विचारा, कारण हा इम्पॉर्टंट प्रॉब्लेम आहे डिस्टन्स काढायला. हा, कुणाला मुवमेंट काढताना प्रॉब्लेम असतो विचारा. मुवमेंट ऍट पॉईंट ए ला कशी काय काढली? डायरेक्शन मायनस प्लस का घेतली? काय प्रॉब्लेम असतो विचारा फ्लँगली. दुसरा प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला देणार आहे. हा जर प्रॉब्लेम कळला असेल तर सांगा कळला म्हणून, तर दुसरा प्रॉब्लेम सुटेल तुम्हाला. प्रॉब्लेम नसेल तर येस म्हणा, असेल तर सांगा नो म्हणून. एनी प्रॉब्लेम? रिपीट सांगू त्याची मुवमेंट काढायची. काय येस नो कायच आन्सर नाही. नो प्रॉब्लेम. डायरेक्शन दाखवले सगळ्या क्लॉकवाईज कशी काय घ्यायची, अँटी क्लॉकवाईज काय घ्यायची. तुम्ही ऍट पॉईंट बी ला जर घेतली आणि इथं डिस्टन्स जर वाय घेऊन काढलं तरी काय अडचण नाही. फक्त हा फोर्स पीबी 0 होईल आणि पीएस पहिल्यांदा निघेल. सॉरी, पीएस ची व्हॅल्यू टाकावं लागेल कारण हा फोर्स पीबी 0 होईल. पीएस इंटू ती डिस्टन्स येईल 750 आणि हा फोर्स येईल. ऑटोमॅटिक तुम्हाला वाय भेटेल. ओके, इफ इट इज ओव्हर, येस येस ऑर नो?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now take this problem. Solve your own. Apply your logic. Apply your knowledge. And give me the final solution. What is the value of x? I will give 5 to 10 minutes for solving this problem. Please write down the problem. Draw the diagram. Write down the given data. Here the meaning of tension nothing but value of PS and value of PC. So don't confuse about tension and PSPC. Both are same. Read the problem carefully. Same problem as like a previous problem. Read the problem, write down the problem, draw the diagram, write down the given data, and please solve it. Just tell me the final solution. Equation number 1, it is correct. I'm having some problems. Hello, Rajput. Abhijit Rajput.
हाँ सर.
Hello, Rajput.
हाँ सर.
What is your status problem? Rajput, please reply me.
Yes sir.
Huh?
Yes sir.
Huh?
No, I can't hear sir.
काय झालं? कापसे. What is your status? अनिकेत कापसे.
Sir, solving.
Solving. Equation number 1 is over.
No, sir.
Okay. Tangle. What is your status? ज्ञानेश्वर टेंगल. महेश बंडगर. What is your status? बंडगर. Let's check the answer. On your screen, they are showing the answer. Sigma S, sigma C, and X. 166.67. It is correct answer in mm. I think number of student has given correct answer. Now give me the attendance. Roll number 1. Roll number 1 absent. Roll number 2.
Roll number, sir, present, sir. Hello.
Roll number 1.
Present, sir.
2. 3.
Hello. Yes,
Roll
sir.
number
Present.
3. Okay. Roll number 4. 4.
Present, sir.
5. 6. 7. Roll number 8. Roll number 9. 10.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 10 absent. Roll number 2. Roll number 4. Roll number 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 absent.
The roll number 3 present.
Roll number 3 present. Correct.
Yes, sir.
From 1 to 10. Only roll number 1 and roll number 3 present. Next, roll number 11.
9.
Present, sir.
9 present. Sorry. 1, 3 and 9 present. Correct. Roll number 11.
Roll number 11 present.
12. 13.
Yes, sir.
14. 15. 16. 17. 18.
Present.
Yes, sir.
18. Okay. 19.
Yes, 18.
Yes, sir.
20.
90.
Okay. 90 present. 20. Okay. Roll number 12, 14, 15, 16, 20. Absent. Roll number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
Present.
29. Okay,
Present,
30.
Present, sir.
Okay. Batch 21 to 30, only 2 students are present, 29 and 30. 31, 32, 33,
32
Okay.
present, sir.
33,
33, sir. 30, sir. Present.
okay. 34,
Yes, sir. Present.
okay. 35,
Yes, sir.
okay. 36, 37,
Yes, sir.
38, 37,
Yes, sir.
okay. 38, 39, 40, next 41,
Present, sir.
42,
40,
40 present,
40.
okay. 41,
41 present, sir.
41, 42,
Present.
43, 44, 45,
Present, sir.
okay. 46,
Present.
47, 48.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53.
Yes, sir.
53. Okay.
Yes, sir.
54. 55. 56.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 57.
Yes, sir.
58.
Yes, sir.
59.
Present, sir.
60.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 61.
Yes, sir.
62. 63.
Present, sir.
Okay. 64. 65.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 66. 67.
Yes, sir.
68.
Yes, sir. Present.
68.
Sir. Yes, sir.
69. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73.
Yes, sir.
73. 74.
Yes, sir.
73. 74. Both are present. 73 आएगा. 73 absent. 74 present. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. Anyone remaining?
Roll number 40.
40 present.
43, sir.
43 present. Okay.
67, sir.
50. 57 present. Already I have given mark
Six,
as
sir.
present.
67, sir. 67.
67.
Go, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Sir, 6.
6. Roll number 6. Correct. Any other?
17.
43, sir.
43. I have marked as present.
28.
28. Okay. Next.
17. 17.
70. Okay.
17. 17. 1 7.
1. Okay. Already I have marked as present. 4. Okay. Now problems on complete bar. It is almost over. All types we have completed. For next lecture, we'll take the problems. Now it is very simple problem for next lecture. Only the relation between and simple formula. We have just to put the value and find the solution. That is the relation between E, G, K. Already we have taken the relation between E, G, K. The three formulas are there. For next lecture, we have to just read the before lecture. We have to read the uh, formulas relation between E, G, K. That is Young modulus, modulus of rigidity, and bulk modulus. On that basis, of that formula, we will take the problem. Now, complicated problems on complete bar almost over. After the relation between EGK, the chapter number 1 will be over. So only one type is remaining. Problems on relation between Younger modulus, bulk modulus, and modulus of rigidity. So today we'll stop here. For next lecture, we'll take the problem for last time, and chapter number 1 will be completed. Okay, thank you. I love you.